Conan Bridge Building Machine is a groundbreaking achievement in modern engineering, proudly holding the title of the largest bridge building machine in the world. With a dead weight and load capacity of 1,000 tons, this technological marvel is designed to revolutionize infrastructure construction. Debuting on the Majo Bay section of the Fua-Xiamen high-speed railway, which includes sections crossing the sea, the Conan has proven indispensable for tackling challenging construction projects. While traditional bridge building machines are limited to constructing box girders up to 32 meters long, the Conan can handle girders up to 40 meters in length and 1,000 tons in weight. This innovation reduces the need for 6 bridge piers per kilometer of railway, significantly cutting construction time and saving over 7 million yuan per kilometer. Additionally, fewer girder joints result in a more stable, high-speed railway, achieving efficiency and quality at the same time. The Conan is an impressive 116 meters long and operates on 88 wheels, 40 in the front, 20 on each side, and 48 in the rear. Uniquely, its rear wheels can rotate, allowing precise adjustments during construction. This precision is further enhanced by large bearings, ensuring the accurate placement of girders. During the process, a gantry crane lifts prefabricated concrete box girders 35 meters high onto the bridge deck, and the Conan adjusts its position to secure the beams. The girders are connected with through bolts and tightened using a winch before being transported to the erection site. At the site, folding columns and front supports are deployed and anchored on the bridge pier, allowing the Conan to move forward. Once it reaches the optimal position, the middle column is lifted and the girder is gently placed on the pier with an error margin of no more than 0.5 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit. After securing the girder, workers quickly remove the connecting bolts, completing the erection process efficiently and precisely. The Conan's single-beam design makes it faster and simpler to operate compared to traditional machines. Not only can it handle 40-meter box girders, but it is also compatible with 24-meter and 32-meter girders, demonstrating its versatility. Its achievements include contributions to landmark projects, such as the bridge at the east extension of Capitol Avenue, which boasts the widest concrete main beam in the bridge industry at 79 meters. Inspired by Chengdu's cultural symbols, the sunbird and the hibiscus flower, this bridge combines cultural heritage with modern engineering, becoming a vital artery for economic development in the Chengdu-Chongqing region. This remarkable engineering feat reflects China's commitment to innovation in infrastructure. It seamlessly integrates practicality with cultural significance, showcasing harmony between urban development and nature. The Conan Bridge Building Machine not only sets new records, but also highlights the ingenuity and expertise of Chinese engineers. It represents a leap forward in construction technology, making bridge building more efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable to diverse environmental conditions. The Conan is a true symbol of progress, capable of operating in extreme weather conditions ranging from -2 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and withstanding winds of up to force 7. This versatility allows it to tackle various terrains and climates, saving hundreds of millions of yuan in construction costs for every 30 kilometers of railway built. It is a testament to the strength and innovation of Chinese engineering, contributing significantly to global infrastructure development. The technology China is applying in bridge construction demonstrates remarkable creativity and a long-term vision for optimizing efficiency and costs. What do you think about these technological advancements? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching until the end.